Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good morning, afternoon, evening, and night to all of you. So we are continuing our revision in chapter 4, which is impact. Okay, referring to this figure, which is there is two ball here, which is ball A and ball B, and the ball A have a velocity A toward right, and also ball B have a velocity B toward right, and this is the condition before the collision. And anggapkan the ball have been collide together, okay, and this is the after collision. The ball are separated, which is this ball A and ball B, and have a VA, which is velocity A after collision and velocity B after the collision. And referring to the conservation of momentum, the equation for this the situation is same as MA VA1 plus MB VB2 equal to MA VA2 plus MB VB2. Okay, this equation will be like this if the momentum for the system is assumed to be conserved, okay, during the collision, and the internal impulse is neglected. However, during the real situation, there is impulse happen between the ball during the collision. The impulse ataupun tenaga yang dihasilkan ketika berlakunya collision. Dan sebenarnya impuls itu wujud disebabkan oleh impact daripada hentaman from the collision between the balls. Okay, and the impacts, actually there is two impact. We call it as central impacts, okay, and oblique impact. The central impact is if there is a ball here A and ball B, the velocity from here, and another velocity which is VB is from here, which is in the same axis, okay, we call it as central impacts. Another one we call it as oblique impact, and this is VA, which is velocity for ball A, and velocity ball B for ball B. There is angle here, okay, this is the axis of the impact, so the VA coming from here, VB coming from here. Okay, during the impacts, okay, in this central impacts, we can see that it can be seen that this is the figure, which is ball A and ball B before impact, means the ball A have velocity toward right and velocity B toward right juga, okay, the velocity B here, and this is ball B. During the collision, okay, during the collision akan berlakunya deformation. There is a deformation happens during the collision. Contoh, macam muka saya kena tumbuk, pam, ada perubahan bentuk muka. Perubahan bentuk muka maksudnya there is a deformation on the surface of A and on the surface of B. The deformation actually disebabkan oleh berlakunya impulse. An impulse during deformation, we call it as deformation impulse that is happen during the collision. Now, the effect ataupun the impulse of A and B is can be mathematically right as integration of P dt, which is effect of A to B, and another one negative integration P dt, which is effect of B to A. What is this? Actually, this is impulse. Kalau kita ingat, if you remember the mathematical equation for the principle of linear impulse and momentum, the equation said mv plus f dt equal to mv2, which is this is momentum, and this is the impulse. So this impulse has been renamed as p dt, which is F is the impulse, and P actually we call it as deformation impulse. It's just a rename for this impulse, F dt. So the equation will be the impulse deformation impulse is mathematically can be read as negative P dt and integration P dt. Okay, after the deformation impulse, the particle will have a maximum deformation, and there is a V. They are matched together, they are grab each other, and have a velocity V. Okay, then it goes to restitution impulse, where selepas berlakunya hentaman, maximum deformation, the particle will rest before it separated each other. So this is the after collision, which is separated each other. To make you more understand about this, okay, to make you more understand about this, I give you some example lah. Okay, as we know that there is impulse during collision, as I mentioned before. Okay, during the collision there is a momentum m impulse. Impulse happens during the impacts ataupun hentaman. Impulse berlaku ketika berlakunya hentaman between the ball A and ball B. Example here, there is a ball A, there is a ball B, there is a V toward right, there is a velocity A toward right, and there is a velocity B toward right, and assumption velocity A is much bigger than velocity B1. Okay, the equation for this equation, the equation for this situation is MA VA1 plus MB VB2. Okay, nah sekarang kalau kita lihat kat sini, berlakunya deformation impulse ketika berlakunya hentaman, the move together, dan kat sini berlakunya hentaman, dan ketika berlakunya hentaman, there is deformation, berlakunya deformation kat situ. Ketika berlakunya deformation kat situ, maka kita boleh katakan ada impulse which is P dt ataupun negative P dt. So kalau saya write down the mathematical equation for this situation, first I neglect the ball B, I just take the ball A. Okay, the ball A have mass A and velocity A. Then collision is happen. Then during the collision there is a deformation. So the deformation impulse, I write down here negative P dt. Why negative P dt? Because this is the impulse or deformation impulse from B to A. There is negative P. Maksudnya effect of B kepada A. So negative P dt, dan selepas berlaku deformation impulse, after that it will have a maximum deformation, and we can write down the maximum equation will be MAV, because the ball A and ball B is joined together. So there is a V here. What happen if I use the ball B? I just neglect the A. So this mathematical equation, I write down the new one. So M B, okay, if I use B, the equation will be change like this: M, okay, B V B1 plus effect or impact from A to B plus P dt integration from T1 to T2 equal to MV. Okay, so this is equation for this situation: before impact, deformation impact impulse, and maximum deformation. Okay, then after the deformation happen and maximum deformation also happen, sebelum dia separate, dia akan rest. Setiap partikel sebelum bila dia melakukan hentaman, dia akan rest kejap, kemudian dia akan berpisah. Then the rest we call it as restitution impulse. So restitution impulse, dia punya equation macam saya cakap tadi, it just rename from the impulse which is F, integration of F dt. Okay, then this is we call it SR, which is effect to B from A and effect of B to A, meaning that effect to B, effect kesan kepada B daripada A, ini adalah kesan daripada B kepada A. Okay, so kalau kita gunakan mass A tadi, so daripada berlaku maximum deformation MAV here, MAV akan berlaku restitution impulse. Okay, kat sini negative R dt, which is effect of A daripada B, okay, akan menjadi MAVA2 ini. Okay, what happen if I use the particle B, which is ball B? This mathematical equation will be changed to MBV plus integration T1 to T R dt, which is effect to B from A equal to MBVB2. Okay, understand? Okay, lanjutan daripada tu, we have to know the ratio between the restitution impulse and the deformation impulse. The ratio between the restitution and deformation impulse is called as E, where E, which is the ratio, is equal to the restitution impulse divided by the deformation impulse, and the equation will be V minus VA2 divided by VA1 equal to V, ataupun or the restitution the ratio between the impulse can be used described by using the particle B, which is E equal to restitution impulse divided by deformation impulse equal to VB2 minus V divided by V minus VB1. Okay. How to get this mathematical equation? I will show you. Okay, now I will show you how to get this mathematical equation. Okay. Remember that our mathematical equation before, the restitution impulse using particle A, we have equation MAV, which is maximum deformation multiplied by mass A, minus R dt, which is effect from ball B to A, okay, there's negative here, restitution impulse, okay, equal to MAVA2 because of they separated after the collisions. Okay, I modify this mathematical equation. We can get that V minus VA2. Okay, here. And another one, deformation impulse. Okay, actually the mathematical equation, as I mentioned before, MAVA1 minus deformation impulse, which is effect from ball B to ball A, which is deformation impulse, which is P dt integration to T1 to T equal to MAV. Okay, this is the maximum deformation. Okay, I modify this mathematical equation, then I can get that VA1 minus V. Okay, so refer back to this mathematical equation. Maksudnya kat sini, the restitution impulse, which is here V minus VA2, okay, divide by deformation impulse, which is VA1 minus V here. So if you want to use the ball B, same by using this mathematical equation, then you will also get this mathematical equation. Okay.